Maximizing your social media presence in healthcare marketing. Tips and tricks. Social media has become a powerful tool for healthcare marketing, offering countless opportunities to connect with patients, promote services, and build a loyal following. In this voiceover, we'll explore some valuable tips and tricks for maximizing your social media presence in the healthcare industry. Tip number 1. Create engaging content. When it comes to social media, it's crucial to share informative and interesting content that resonates with your target audience. Consider using visual content such as videos and infographics to grab attention and provide valuable information in an engaging way. Tip number 2. Engage with patients. Building relationships with patients is essential, and social media provides an excellent platform for doing so. Respond to comments and messages promptly, and go the extra mile to make patients feel heard and valued. Consider hosting interactive events like Q&A sessions to engage with patients and foster meaningful connections. Tip number 3. Stay up to date on trends. Social media is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends. Keep an eye on what's happening in your industry and adapt your content and strategy accordingly. Utilize popular hashtags and other tools to stay visible and relevant in the ever-changing social media landscape. Tip number 4. Promote your services. Don't be shy about showcasing the services your medical practice offers. Use social media to highlight success stories, share patient testimonials, and encourage patient referrals. Consider running targeted social media ads to reach a wider audience and raise awareness about the unique value you provide. By maximizing your social media presence, medical practices can connect with patients, promote their services, and build a strong online reputation. Remember, creating engaging content, engaging with patients, staying up to date on trends, and promoting your services are all key components of a successful social media strategy in healthcare marketing. Thank you for taking the time to learn these simple tricks on maximizing your social media presence in healthcare marketing. Tips and tricks. We hope you found these insights valuable for your medical marketing endeavors. For more information and additional resources, visit our website or reach out to our team of experienced medical marketers. Together, let's take your social media presence to new heights and make a lasting impact in the world of healthcare.